Hey guys, welcome to the Ultimate Post Kit widget tutorial. In today's video, we'll show you how to customize the exotic list widget for your landing page. First, let's drag and drop the widget inside the page. The default view of the list widget shows post dates, titles, meta, and a single post image that changes when hovered over the next post title. From the options, the first scroll bar here lets you adjust the row gap of the list. You can also change the image direction from right to left. There's a content alignment option after that, and with the image size option, you can change the image dimension at any time. Next, from the query section, you can adjust the item limit, and by that, the number of posts displayed in the list can be changed. You'll find a source option right below. And using the include filter, you can display only selected posts on the list. For example, we're selecting terms and then typing in a category name. Once the category is selected, you can see the list changed into the selected category posts. The exclude option works in the opposite way and hide the posts which are selected. There are some sorting options below you should check later on. Moving into the additional section. Here you will find lots of switches that help show or hide certain elements from the list. This includes title, category, image, etc. Now let's jump into the style tab so you can customize the appearance of the exotic list widget. First, you'll find a spacing option on the top for adjusting the space between the image and titles. Then you might want to adjust the image height at some point. Moving into the title section, you can customize the title color and hover color to create a nice color effect. Then go for the typography option to customize the font style. You could use a text shadow to further add ambience to the titles. Then go to the date section. Out of the many options here, let's just customize the font style for now. Okay, now let's put the same primary color into the date background and make the text color white. Looks good enough. Now customize the padding to perfect it. After that, we can go into the author section and start customizing the typography. And then follow the same pattern for the category section too. With little customizations like this, the exotic list widget can be fit in any of your blog pages. That's all for now. Hope this video helped. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel to get updates on new tutorials and tips. Until then, stay safe and see you next time.